This is beautiful falcon, also called peregrine falcon, a large crow-sized falcon, a well-respected falconry bird due to its strong hunting ability, high trainability, versatility, and availability via captive breeding. Scientific name of peregrine falcon is Falco peregrinus, which means wandering falcon. These are birds of prey in the genus Falco, which includes about 40 regional species, which vary in appearance. A diurnal bird of prey, characterized by long pointed wings and swift, powerful flight. Peregrine falcon is best known for its diving speed during flight, which can reach more than 300 kilometers per hour, making it not only the world's fastest bird, but also the world's fastest animal. Peregrine falcons are renowned for their breathtaking hunting style. Primarily relying on a high-speed dive or stoop to capture prey. They soar to great heights, scanning for birds like starlings, pigeons, and gulls. Once a target is spotted, they fold their wings and plummet downwards, reaching speeds of over 300 miles per hour. This powerful dive allows them to strike their prey with clenched talons, often killing or stunning it with the impact. While young peregrines are preyed upon by golden eagles and great horned owls, there are few threats to the adults other than humans. Perhaps because of their amazing flying and hunting skills, peregrine falcons have had cultural significance for humans throughout history. And they are still one of the most popular birds in the sport of falconry. In ancient times, they were considered the birds of royalty. Falcons occur virtually worldwide. It can be found nearly everywhere on Earth, except extreme polar regions, very high mountains, and most tropical rainforests. Conservation status least concern. That is, population is stable. Falcons belong to the order Falconiformes in the family Falconidae. The only major ice-free landmass from which it is entirely absent is New Zealand. Average mass of peregrine falcon is 0.7 to 1.5 kg. Wingspan is 74 to 120 centimeters for adult. Recorded average lifespan is 10 years, where the maximum recorded is 17 years. Coloration is a bluish-gray above, with black bars on the white to yellowish, white underparts. Thanks for watching.